price is trading above this trend line which I've drawn from this beginning of the week to the end of the week here. Now, if price retraces to this trend line and then if it moves up and breaks this trend line, then I will look for a sell in this retracement up. This is how I'm going to look for a trade. If it doesn't do this, if come Monday it does this, if it drops, break this trend line and give a retracement, then I will look for a sell, and I will draw another trend line this way. So it will be a sell if price is below this trend line, and if it breaks the trend line, then I will look for a buy, because I still have another level above here, this level and this level. Assuming this price, if it doesn't play out this way, and if it's going to play out this way, I've got two levels up here which I'm looking for price to move if there is a momentum. So these are the scenarios that I'm looking for. I do not know what is price going to do here when the market opens on Monday. Is it going to bounce off from this trend line and move up before breaking this trend line? Or is it going to drop and then break this trend line, give a retracement for a deeper retracement down before moving up? So whatever it happens, I will look for a break and then retracement. Same thing here, break, retracement. Basically here will be the trade for a sell if it breaks this trend line. And if it creates a low somewhere here, I do not know where it's going to create a low. And then if it breaks this trend line, then it's going to be a buy here. But if it works this way, the price is going to retrace and bounce off and then break the trend line. So the sell will be here on a retracement, and this price drop can be this way, as I'll be drawing a trend line this way here. So if it breaks the trend line, so same scenario this side as well. If it does a break here, same thing if it price breaks here. I do not know where it's going to break. It can break anywhere here or earlier around here. That I will have to look at the price action at that time. So this is the scenarios. This is GBPUSD from the trend line here, and price is bouncing off from the trend line now, assuming it's going to bounce off again, and then if it breaks this trend line, I have few levels above, so if there is momentum, I'm expecting the price to move there. So here, if it breaks, then I might look for a sell until it breaks again to the upside. So if it breaks the trend line and give a retracement, then now I'll look for a sell. And then if it breaks a trend line again, because I'll be drawing another trend line here, and if it breaks again, then I would look for a buy. That is in this scenario. And the other scenario is if it bounces a bit and then breaks this trend line here and give a retracement, then I will look for a sell. I do not know how far it's going to retrace here before bouncing, or maybe it might just drop. So we'll see how price break or don't break the trend line. So I'm going to draw another trend line here if this scenario works out, and then if it, for example, if it breaks and then give a retracement, then I would look for a buy. This will be like this. So these are the support level that I've marked. This part here, when the market opens, I have no clue where is it going to go, either this way or this way. So, but I have an idea of how to take a trade if it breaks a trend line here and this way here. So it should create a higher low or a double bottom for a trade. This one can be a lower high. This looks like lower high, but it can also create a double top here, and this price going this way before breaking, creating a double top here, or a lower high. So this part we'll watch during the active trading session. Where is it going to create a higher low? Sorry, not higher low, lower high, or is going to create a double top? So that I do not know. Same thing here, a higher low or a double bottom. The same thing for euro as well. We can do the same thing. So I have a couple of levels above here. This seems to be a very good resistance area. That's all for now.